Good morning students, I am Neha Singh. Students, as you know, in history we were doing chapter number 4 in the earliest cities. In that we got to know about interesting city Harappa. How was it originated? How was it found? In the chapter we have known that it was found by a accident while the Britishers were building the railway line. They saw the bricks, and later on with the archaeologists study we got the information that it was not just a house, it was a proper city, a proper village. And we also got that the infrastructure, the monuments, the building materials, all were very precious. They were not using only ordinary things, they were using and they were bringing the materials from far away also. They had ornaments made of gold and silver. They had proper drainage system. Moreover, scripts have also been found. This means that some people were able to read and write. Toys were found. Big pots have been found, which means they were using the big pots to keep their grains. Toys and sculptures were found. It means they were using it for their entertainment. One more thing was that we can guess that they were also doing worships, because some of the sculptures are just similar to our god Shiv. So that means that they were engaged in so many activities. They were doing trading also, because the things were coming from Rajasthan, and so it is moreover told by the archaeologists that the Harappa city was a very busy city. These all things we have known till now, but do you know, suddenly there was a decline in the Harappa. Children, we don't know that what was the actual reason of the decline of Harappa city, because historians, the archaeologists have not found a very definite thing about it, that because of this decline happened. We can only say that some of the reasons archaeologists have told, but before that, how can we know that this has been in decline? Because I have told earlier that the buildings, the houses, everything was properly planned, and they were using baked bricks. So the houses were in a very proper condition. They were very strong. So how can we say? Children, around 3,900 years ago, there was a decline. How? Because we found broken houses. The things were broken, the roads were broken. So all these things gave a symbol that there was a decline in this civilization. As I told, the archaeologists have till now not found a very definite reason for their decline. It is a mystery, but some of the reasons that would happen of the decline is that the rivers may have got dried. And as you know, at that time, at early time, people used to prefer living near the rivers, because drinking water is an essential thing for us to live. Trees were available, the fruits were available near the river, trees, animals were also available, so people preferred living near the rivers. So maybe the rivers have dried, so people of all those areas may have moved to some other place where the river was available. One more thing can be also happen that they used lot of furnaces. So deforestation may be one of the reason of the decline of Harappan civilization. Another thing is that they used to keep cattle and sheep with them. So overgrazing by these animals may have made the green zone zero. There may have been no greenery, no grass, no crop, no river available. So decline may happen. They may have moved to some other place. Other thing is that one more very point is that maybe a natural calamity has happened and it had swiped most of the population of Harappa. So the whole Harappan civilization may have gone decline. The natural calamity like earthquake or flood or something big had happened. So the population was swiped away. Major population, part of the population was swiped away. This may also be one of the reason of the decline of the civilization. Children, this was for today. In conclusion, I would like to say that we have studied about the origin of Harappa. It was done accidentally. As I told, we have studied about the lifestyle, the special things, the people were engaged in occupation was trading also, they were working also, they were farming, they were herding also because bones have been found. They were doing entertainment also, they were worshipping also, all these things. And the most important thing is that Harappan civilization came into knowledge by accident because the railway line was being constructed. And the best part is that the decline is also a mystery. We don't know what was the main reason of the decline of the Harappan civilization. So the origin was done accidentally and the decline is also a mystery. Now children, please read the chapter once again. Read the worksheets so that you will get the full information about the Harappan civilization. In the next chapter, we will learn about something else, something new. Till then, thank you.